Hi friends, welcome to Venki's channel. In the previous video, we have learned about definition list. Today we are going to learn how to add images in HTML. So let's open Sublime Text. Now let's save our changes and open this file in browser. Now let's minimize the browser and go back to Sublime Text. For adding images in HTML, we use the img tag, and src attribute is used for specifying the image. In the src attribute, we have to specify the file path. If the HTML document and the image are in the same folder, we can just mention the file name. Here, my HTML document and my image are also in the same folder. So, the name of my image is HTML and it is a PNG file, so I have to mention .png. If your file is a JPG file, mention .jpg. If it is a GIF file, mention .gif. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see that this image is appearing here on the browser. Let's learn about a few more attributes of the image tag. So let's go back to Sublime Text, and another attribute of the img tag is width. So width equal to can be given in percentage or in pixels. Here I am giving the width in 500 pixels. No need to mention px. You can mention px, it's not required. Nothing will happen even if you mention. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see that the width has reduced to 500 pixels and the height is taken automatically. If we want the image to occupy the full screen, we can give width equal to 100%. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now the image is occupying the full screen, but you can see that we will have to scroll down to see more part of the image. So we can mention the height also here. So let me mention height equal to 100%. Then we don't need to scroll down. So let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see that the scroll bar has disappeared and the image is occupying the full screen. In this way, we can mention custom height and width. In the next video, we will learn about the video tag. Bye friends.